Here's a pair of these Soundcore V20i earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Roku TV via Bluetooth. Now, the first thing I want to note is that some of these Roku TVs do not have built-in Bluetooth. So let's first check to see on your TV if you have built-in Bluetooth. Okay, so what you want to do is just go to the home page here, and then you want to go to settings. We'll go to settings, and then we're going to go down to the remotes and devices and select that. Now, if you don't have Bluetooth headphones and speakers, then you don't have built-in Bluetooth. You probably only have remotes and speakers if you don't have built-in Bluetooth. The thing is, if you don't have built-in Bluetooth on your TV, a workaround for you would simply be just to download the Roku TV app onto your phone and connect the earbuds to the phone. This way, you'll be able to listen to the TV through your earbuds. So that's just a workaround. But anyway, for this video here is if you have Bluetooth headphones and speakers. So we're going to stay here on this page, and the next thing we're going to do is just put these in a pairing mode. Let me go ahead and take out these earbuds. And after you wait a few seconds, you'll know that it's in pairing mode if it's blinking blue, 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 okay? But mine's like a solid blue here. It was blinking. Okay. Looks like mine's actually, oh wow, mine just goes off, okay? So anyway, let me just put these in pairing mode, okay? So what I'm gonna do is press and hold the logo on the top of the earbuds here for a few seconds, or just wait until it starts blinking blue, okay? So ready, press and hold. Just wait till it starts blinking blue. Ah, there we go. Okay, so now it's in pairing mode. Now I'm gonna leave it just like this. Now I'm gonna shoot over to my Roku TV. I'm gonna go down to Bluetooth headphones and speakers right there. Let's go ahead and select that. Now from here, I'm going to scroll all the way down. You can see I have a lot of other earbuds and headphones that are paired to this TV here, but you want to go down to where it says add new Bluetooth audio device. Let's go ahead and select that. And now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, which is in Bluetooth range about 30 feet or so, and it did find it. So go ahead and just make sure it's highlighted and select it. And voila, it just connected, and it says you're done right there. And you can see we're connected by the check mark. And there you go, pretty simple. Now, if you had issues, any pairing or connecting problems, or can't put these in a pairing mode, you can always factory reset these earbuds. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.